All right, if you're a design engineer, seriously, you're going to want to pause what you're doing for a minute. We've got a huge opportunity I want to break down for you from a company called Jaydu LLC. And trust me, this is a big deal. And here's the number that really made me sit up and take notice. 20. That's right, 20. We're not talking about 1 or 2 jobs here. Jaydu LLC is looking to hire 20 new engineers. You know, a move like this usually means one thing. They're growing, and they're growing fast. This could be a sign of a huge new project kicking off, which means it's an absolutely incredible time to get in on the ground floor. So, what's the role? What's the specific skill they're hunting for? They need SolidWorks CAD engineers. And look, if you're in this field, you already know that SolidWorks pros are basically gold dust right now. So let's dive a little deeper into what exactly Jaydu wants.
Okay, so let's get into it. The role at Jaydu LLC. What does this opportunity really entail? What's the day-to-day gonna look like?
Right off the bat, you need to see the keyword here, strong expertise in SolidWorks. Let me be clear. This is not a learn-as-you-go kind of gig. They're looking for seasoned pros, specialists who can hit the ground running and start making an impact from day one. But hey, knowing the software is one thing, right? What really counts is how you've used it. So let's talk about your core expertise, the kind of hands-on experience that's really going to matter to them. Okay, this slide right here, this is the heart of the job. They're looking for someone who gets the whole picture, the entire design to manufacturing process. You've got to be solid on sheet metal design. Then you need to understand fabrication concepts, how things actually get built in the real world. You'll be wrangling complex assemblies, maybe with tons of different parts. And finally, you have to be able to create crystal clear, perfect production drawings that the team on the shop floor can build from without a single question. It's the whole shebang, a really comprehensive role. All right, moving on. Beyond just what you've done, there are some key skills and standards they're really focusing on. We're talking about both your technical know-how and, just as important, your personal strengths. So let's break this down. On the technical side, you absolutely have to know your GD&T. That's geometric dimensioning and tolerancing inside and out. It's a non-negotiable. But here's the thing. All that technical knowledge is kind of useless if you don't have the personal side locked down. We're talking about razor-sharp design accuracy and an almost obsessive attention to detail. I mean, you know how it is. One tiny mistake on a drawing can blow up into a massive, expensive problem on the production line. So yeah, they need people who are not just smart, but also incredibly precise. Okay, so if you've been nodding along and thinking, hey, that sounds like me, well, let's get to the most important part. How do you actually take action? What's your next step? And here's some really good news. They've made this super easy. You're not going to be fighting with some clunky online portal or filling out a million forms. Nope, the process is direct and simple. To me, that says they respect your time and they just want to find the right people fast. It honestly couldn't be simpler. All you have to do is send your CV to this email address right here, tarun.b@jaydu.com. Let me spell that out for you just in case. It's TARUN.B as in boy, @jaydu.com. One more time, tarun.b@jaydu.com. This is your direct shot straight to their hiring team. So there you have it, a massive opportunity to get in with Jaydu LLC while they're really scaling up. We've gone over the role, the skills they need, and how easy it is to apply. So the only real question left is this your next big career move? Look, opportunities like this don't pop up every day. So if this feels right, go for it. Best of luck.